Hey Joanna, it's nice to finally meet you. How can I help you?
Hold on, I am the real Joanna, and she is my AI avatar. Let me explain. You see, everybody is talking about
AI avatar. AI avatar.
So it really got me thinking, it's kind of cool. But wait, what can I actually do with it? So can it do my job for me? I'm gonna attempt to build...
What she's trying to say is that she's gonna show you guys how to build me, aka her AI avatar, and use me to create a viral TikTok account and make money with it. Ha ha ha.
Here's the game plan. Step 1. Building my avatar. Step 2. Finding a niche. Step 3. Using AI to automate the entire video production process. And step 4. Posting at least 30 days straight. Oh my god. Okay, let's start with step 1. I'm using an AI tool called HeyJen. This AI tool is kind of cool, not only to help you build your custom avatar, but it also has a ton of cool stuff like voice cloning, face swap. And the process of making my avatar using HeyJen is actually super easy. All I need to do is to click avatar on their website, then record myself reading consent script, basically telling them that they have the right to make a digital clone of me. After the consent, there's a video instruction explaining the step-by-step on how to record myself so I'll get the best avatar out of it. Now officially, I'm gonna record myself and that footage is gonna be used to train my first AI custom avatar. I'm in front of the camera and ready to start. I'm going to try adding in some slight hand movements to make things feel more natural. And guys, if you prefer not to use your webcam, you can totally use any camera or have someone record you using a camera and upload the footage directly to HeyJen's website. I just finished my recording. Overall, it was like really simple experience. They made the script super easy. It's like constantly reminding you what you should be doing and should not be doing. It has like emojis and stuff, so it makes you feel kind of relaxed. In this process, I've also used the voice cloning feature to record my voice. This will make my AI avatar even more realistic because it will match my actual voice. After I double check my recording and making sure it's good to go, all that's left is to hit submit and let the HeyJen team work their magic. While my avatar is being built, I'm gonna start step 2. I'm actually gonna use this ChatGPT alternative called Forefront.ai. Apparently, they claim that they are a better version of ChatGPT. And what's cool about this is that you're able to give prompts to different persona, like marketing manager, celebrities like Drake. So now, because I need help with a niche that can potentially go viral, of course, I'm gonna ask the Mr. Beast. Ooh, those are really good. I think I'm gonna go with the travel niche because I love traveling. Now I'm gonna ask Mr. Beast again to help me come up with some usernames. I decided to go with Explore with AI, ran that through TickTok. Luckily, it hasn't been taken yet. Now, I'm gonna ask my best friend, Mr. Beast, for a really cute bio. Let's generate a killer profile picture. So I paid Lensa to generate a bunch of really cool animated looking AI avatar based on the pictures that I uploaded. And I think I'm gonna choose this photo right here. So there you go. This is my brand new TikTok account. Step 3, and let's start with getting 30 viral video ideas. But I feel like it's a little bit too generic. You know what? Let me switch back to the actual ChatGPT and compare the answers. There we go. It's a lot more specific. ChatGPT is just not giving me what I wanted. I actually spent like good 20 minutes just to give it a different prompt. So I kind of took the idea and like rewrite a lot of them myself. This is the list that I have. So I'm really excited to move forward and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me scripts for each video ideas. It's not bad. I think I just need to tweak it a little bit. Let's move on to actually putting the video together using AI. And the video editing software that I'm going to use is called Pictory. I'm gonna use the script to video function.
If you want something quick and easy, Pictory is your friend. But if you're looking for something super fancy and complicated,
then yeah. I'm gonna click proceed under script to video and I'm gonna paste the script that I worked on just now. Okay, I'm gonna go with this template and proceed. Ooh, there we go. Something quick and easy. I think it will do the job. I'm gonna go ahead and download the video right now. While the video is being downloaded, I'm gonna head over to HeyJen. Basically what I wanted to do is to put my custom AI avatar somewhere in the video so it will narrate the video while there's like another video playing in the background showing you the visuals and stuff. And the first thing I'm gonna do is create a template. So I'll head over to avatar. I'll remove the background. Then I'm going to choose my own AI voice that I previously cloned. Once it's done, give it a name and save it as a template. Over here on Pictory AI, the video has been generated. I'm gonna click asset so I can upload a video that I just created from Pictory AI. In the meantime, I'm gonna pull out my avatar, scale it down, and now I'm gonna copy and paste the entire script here so that the AI can speak on my behalf. And I'm gonna drop the video here. Perfect. If you're happy with everything, go ahead and click submit in order to process the video. Once it's done, you can download the video from the video tab. I've also added captions through the Premiere Pro Caption AI tool to make the video even more engaging. Last but not least, I'm gonna add a copyright-free music using an AI music tool called Soundful. Super easy to use and it's free. Just choose the template you like, customize the speed, the key, then you can save it to download. You guys ready for the final result? All right, let me present to you.
Unbelievable underwater cities you won't believe exist. First, we have the legendary Atlantis, the lost city off the coast of Santorini, Greece. Did you know that it's said to be home to magnificent temples and palaces?
What I've learned so far is that this entire process of using AI only for content creation and marketing has been super interesting. I mean, especially the fact that I can just create an AI custom avatar
That looks and sounds like me.
that's mind-blowing. So I think what we need to do right now is to really embrace these new technology and use it to our advantage.
Maybe you might say that I'm just way too optimistic about this whole thing, but
I don't know what the future is gonna look like and how this AI thing is gonna impact us. But I do believe in the power of embracing and adopting to these new changes and new technology. And if you don't evolve with these new changes, you're gonna be left behind. AI is not gonna replace you, but the person using AI will replace you for sure. Like I said, stay tuned for the next video because I'll be reporting on my progress on this experiment. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about AI and marketing and traveling and all that fun stuff. All right, bye.